Hello everyone, hope you are fine. In my today's this video, I am going to show you how you can add the dual apps to your device IQOO 90. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can add the dual apps like the clone apps. For example, you have one Facebook or Instagram but you want to download another same app. You can easily do it just by following the few steps and tricks as I will show you in this video. Before we kick on to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual apps in your device.